Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to add caption to your Capcut project. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, you would click on create project, or you can just click on one of the project that you already have. Click on this, and in order to add a caption or a text to your project file, you would click on the text category, and then you would click on default text. You can click and drag to your project file here. And then let's say you wanted to make this a caption, you can make it smaller and then start typing out your caption. Let's say welcome to my channel, and you can actually change the font size over here, change the style, and then change the um, color. But that is like the manual way, that is the free way to add caption. Another way to add caption would be going to caption over here. This would auto generate the caption based on the sound in the video. If it's a English language, it would automatically generate your caption, which is much more faster, but it require you to have a pro membership. So if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.